General practitioner. A doctor who treats common or everyday health problems. The GP checked my fever and gave me medicine. Pediatrician. A doctor who cares for babies and children. The pediatrician gave my child a vaccination. Cardiologist. A doctor who treats heart problems. The cardiologist checked my heartbeat. Dermatologist. A doctor who treats skin, hair, and nails. The dermatologist helped my rash. Neurologist. A doctor who treats brain and nerve problems. The neurologist examined my headache. Psychiatrist. A doctor who helps with mental health and feelings. The psychiatrist helped me when I felt very sad. Oncologist. A doctor who treats cancer. The oncologist explained my treatment plan. Gynecologist. A doctor who cares for women's health. The gynecologist checked my irregular periods. Obstetrician. A doctor who helps women during pregnancy and childbirth. The obstetrician checked my baby in the womb. Orthopedic surgeon. A doctor who treats bones, joints, and muscles. The orthopedic surgeon fixed my broken arm. Ophthalmologist. A doctor who treats eye problems. The ophthalmologist gave me new glasses. Otolaryngologist. A doctor who treats ear, nose, and throat problems. The otolaryngologist doctor helped my sore throat. Endocrinologist. A doctor who treats hormone and gland problems. The endocrinologist checked my blood sugar. Gastroenterologist. A doctor who treats stomach and digestion problems. The gastroenterologist helped my stomach pain. Pulmonologist. A doctor who treats lung and breathing problems. The pulmonologist helped me breathe better. Nephrologist. A doctor who treats kidney problems. The nephrologist checked my kidneys. Rheumatologist. A doctor who treats joints, muscles, and autoimmune diseases. The rheumatologist helped my sore hands. Urologist. A doctor who treats urinary and male reproductive problems. The urologist helped me with a bladder problem. Hematologist. A doctor who treats blood problems. The hematologist checked my anemia. Infectious disease specialist. A doctor who treats infections caused by germs. The infectious disease doctor treated my flu. Anesthesiologist. A doctor who gives medicine to sleep safely during surgery. The anesthesiologist made me sleep for my operation. Pathologist. A doctor who studies tissues and lab tests to find disease. The pathologist checked my biopsy results. Plastic surgeon. A doctor who repairs or reshapes the body or face. The plastic surgeon fixed my hand after an accident. Emergency medicine physician. A doctor who treats serious and urgent health problems. The emergency doctor helped me after a car accident. Sports medicine doctor. A doctor who treats injuries from sports or exercise. The sports doctor helped my knee after I fell.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.